This property is a 2-bedroom, 2 full baths home. Interior features of this property include carpeted flooring, a first-floor master, cathedral or vaulted ceiling, skylight, and storm shutters. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, an irrigation system, and golf course frontage. Community amenities include a swimming pool, a tennis facility, a community clubhouse, a bicycle or walking path, and a golf course nearby. The approximate square footage is 1,384 square feet. This property is represented by
Lori Roberts, the Kai's Company.